Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see who accepted meeting invites in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you're coordinating meetings and need to know exactly who's confirmed their attendance, helping you plan accordingly and follow up with anyone who hasn't responded yet. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you sent the meeting invitation, as this is crucial for tracking responses. Once your email has loaded and you're in the main Outlook interface, the next step is to navigate to your calendar. You'll find the calendar menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to your calendar, where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are displayed. Now that you're in your calendar menu, checking who accepted your meeting invite is actually quite a straightforward process. From the calendar view, you'll see all your upcoming meetings displayed by date and time. Locate the specific meeting you want to check, the one where you need to see who's accepted the invitation. Once you've found it, double-click on that meeting. This action will open up a detailed meeting window with all the information about that particular event. Here's where the magic happens. In the meeting window that appears, look for the tracking tab at the top of the window. Click on it and you'll immediately see a comprehensive list of all the meeting attendees you've added when you created the invitation. More importantly, next to each attendee's name, you'll see their response status. This shows whether they've accepted, declined, or are still tentative about attending. This tracking feature gives you complete visibility into who's planning to join your meeting, making it much easier to manage attendance and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to track meeting responses in Outlook, giving you better control over your meeting planning and coordination. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.